If you're looking to move to Frisco, I've got a beautiful home for you. So welcome to 12840 Platt Drive here in Frisco, Texas. This property is listed for sale by the Cole team at $859,000. Out here you'd find some rose bushes, fig trees, an amazing entryway, and a porch. Now this door is a double door. This door opens as well. Look at this guy. He's a stud, isn't he? Now first room to the right, it's the dining room. It's a nice sized dining room. It's a beautiful chandelier. Entryway also has same style chandelier. And I'll take you into the office. Really nice size office. Also has a closet. These are vinyl wood floors. And we'll go to the right, take this hallway to the right. And there's this little opening right here where you can put like a desk, like a little small study desk or maybe a decorative item. Then it has this space right here. You can use it as a closet or somewhere maybe put your pet, or it's pretty spacious. You can use it as like a little wonderland for like the kids or something. We got a guest half bath right here. Laundry room. It's a really nice sized laundry room. I mean, you can put a folding table in here, as well as really big washing machine and dryer in here. And you put all your laundry detergent and stuff up there. And you got a guest bedroom right here, or maybe what you call it, in-law suite. Suite also has a bathroom, stand-up shower, and there's a bidet. Now, all the toilets in this home have bidets, which is pretty cool, or a bidet. And then a linen closet. We're gonna go upstairs. We'll come back and check out the kitchen and the primary room. That fireplace, look at it, stoned out. We're gonna take this hall to the left. I'm gonna hit this bedroom right here. Comes with its own bathroom, stand-up shower, and a bidet. And a nice walk-in closet. I must say, man, this home is nice and spacious. All right, so we're gonna take this hallway down some more. Well, back from where we came from. And then I'll save that room for next. We got a shared bathroom. Then we're gonna go into this room right here. All of these rooms are really nice sizes. I mean, you can get a king bed in every single one of these bedrooms. This one also has a walk-in closet. And then we'll go over here to this room. Very, very spacious. It's like 2 bedrooms in one. the video doesn't really truly go into depth on how incredible this home is. If you'd like to come see this home in person, check it out. If you haven't done so at the open house I had today and yesterday, be sure to reach out to me and call me, text me, shoot me an email, and I'll bring you to this home. See it up close and personal. There's another linen closet right there on the second floor. Then we got a flex area you can do just about anything with. And we have a media room, which can also serve as a second office if you needed it to be. It has some closet space also. All right, so let's head downstairs. Finish checking out, whoa, almost fell. Finish checking out the rest of this beautiful home. I'm gonna take you guys, man, look at that. Look at that fireplace. Take you guys out to the back first. You got the double sliding doors. It's a fan. Some accent lighting out here. And they have a couple fig trees, a peach tree, a plum tree, and mulberry bush. Not only will you get a house when you buy this home, you get some free food. It's a 2-car garage. The garage also has an EV charger in it. So if you have an EV car, no need to get the charger installed. The home comes with one already. Here we have the mud room and the garage. There's that EV charger. There's some bike racks too. Get that chandelier. Got the eating area right here. I mean, look at this island. Thing is massive. You got some bar lighting right there. Stainless steel fixtures, stainless steel appliances. It's a gas range stove. You can do some really good cooking right there. If you're a person that loves to cook, I'm a person that loves to eat. So a stove right there, it's gonna get the full cook and style. Then you got your butler's pantry over there, or chef's office. You got the built-in oven and then built-in microwave. The pantry right here. And then you're back to the dining room. Now, this home has a lot to offer, and this is a lot of home. 3,927 square feet. I think it'll go great for a family. This home has a lot of natural lighting, a bunch of it. There's windows everywhere. It helps you with saving on that energy bill. Here we are in the primary bathroom. It has his and hers sinks. Hers with the makeup vanity right there. His jetted tub. Man, that thing looks comfortable. And the shower with the rain attachment up above. I mean, what a way to get clean in the morning. And this shower is big. You can fit like 3 people in there. And you also have a nice size closet. You got your safe. pretty nice size closet, to say the least. Yeah, then we go back into the primary room. All of those windows. I mean, you can fit more than just a bed dresser in here. You could put a sofa in here. You can have 2 individual chairs in here. I mean, you can put a recliner in this mug. You can have a little eating area in here if you wanted to go with your bed, your dresser, and your nightstands. I mean, this is a big room. So that home is available in Frisco. Currently asking price is $859,000, 3,927 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, half bath. As you can see, the home is pretty spacious, has a lot to offer. EV charger, plum tree, peach tree, mulberry bush, fig trees, rose bushes, in a great neighborhood, great school district. Frisco is an amazing city with a lot of growth going on with it. If that home is not the home for you and you want to be in the Frisco area, or let's just say you don't want to be in the Frisco area, you want to be somewhere else out here in the DFW, be sure to give me a call or shoot me a text, or even send me an email. Phone number is 214-554-7743. My email is move@mariocottman.com. I look forward to hearing from you soon and helping you find your next home.